Hi everyone and welcome to Advanced Installer YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the steps to create new file extensions and set up file associations in Advanced Installer. I've already created a package project in Advanced Installer. I've edited the product details and added the project files. Now let me show you how to define a file association. First, navigate to the File Associations page. This is where you can create new file extensions and set up the file associations. To create a new extension, click the New Extension toolbar button, then select the executable file in the Opened dialog. A prog ID is automatically generated along with the extension. If your app uses files, for example with the extension AIXed, set this name for the extension. If you want to create a second extension for the same prog ID, simply select it and click the New Extension toolbar button again. Don't forget to set a name for this extension as well. To assign an icon to all files associated with this prog ID, load an icon in the Display section of the prog ID properties. Here, you can also set a description for the extensions. For every extension, you need to define at least one verb. The default verb is the open action. If you want to add additional verbs, use the New Verb toolbar button. Select the desired action from the Verb Properties tab and set the command arguments as needed. And that's it. Let's build the project and install the application. Once installed, you should see that files with the configured extensions are automatically associated with your app. For more guides and tutorials, check out the Advanced Installer YouTube channel or visit the Advanced Installer blog.